All right, hi guys, this is Luke with Kettering, the Bulldogs, Ri3D, and today we're going to be talking about the changes to this year's game.
This First Updates Now video is sponsored in part by Stryker and Kettering University. Stryker makes some of the most revolutionary medical equipment and is a big supporter of FIRST and its participants. If you are looking for an internship or a career that supports you being in FIRST, check out careers.stryker.com to learn more. Kettering University is the leading university of choice for many FIRST students. Kettering offers strong support for FIRST alumni, including an alumni program and scholarships for FIRST students up to $25,000. Schedule a virtual chat to get started at kettering.edu.
All right, so starting off with the actual field changes. As you can see over here, we've got our rendezvous point set up. So on these two opposing sides, we're still going to have the same boundaries that we had in last year's game. You can see that the blue and red zones are on opposing sides here, and the boundaries are still set up. But on the opposite sides over here, you can tell we've got this line of red gaffer's tape. This tape line is going to be the only thing impeding your travel here. Took out the black boundary in the center as well. We don't have the perfect amount of gaff tape, but we're going to have another blue line over here. But this kind of gives you a feel for what it's going to be like. So you do have another open path in the field. So if you are a taller robot, can't get it underneath the trench, you can still traverse the field entirely by going through these tape lines instead of going over the boundaries and having that impedance there. Besides that, we are going to see the power cells not on the boundaries anymore. They're going to be inside the rendezvous point starting out the match. So that may mess up a couple of autons, have to do some tweaking there. But overall, you've got a little bit more to work with if you do go over the tape lines there. And then moving on to more of the point adjustments for the game, we've got the control panel. The rotational control has been bumped up from 10 to 15 points. So you are given a little bit more incentive there. If you were on the edge about doing the control panel last season, this may be the little push to shove you over the edge and build a mechanism there. On top of that, we have the stage completion power cell requirements differing. So last year we had the 9 power cells required for the first stage. That will be staying the same. But for the second and third stages, they're both being lowered from 20 power cells to 15 power cells. So hopefully we might be able to see some teams being able to solo that in the future, but we'll see. One of the more creative changes we're seeing besides the team composition and a couple other minor things is the bumpers. The corners of the bumpers, seems like a fan favorite so far. The corners of the bumpers are going to be able to be different solid colors. So if the red and blue weren't enough for you in the past, you are able to change the corners of the colors of your bumper, maybe have them black, green, some wild, cool colors, whatever you choose. So it's going to be great to see a little extra style and finesse being put into teams' robots this upcoming season. This is Luke once again with Kettering's The Bulldogs Ri3D. Don't forget to check us out on Twitch and on YouTube at First Updates Now.
Thanks for watching. If you want more fun content, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Thanks to all of our co-executive producers on Patreon and Tier 2 Plus subscribers on Twitch, keeping fun loud, live, and independent.